How to delete Uber Eats account on PC. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site ubereats.com. You will land on the official page of Uber Eats. You need to make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are logged in, tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner and then move into Help. In the search bar, search for Deactivate My Account and then head over to Delete My Uber Account. Over here it says open the link below and sign in. So tap on Delete My Uber Account link. Enter your email address and your password of your account. Then tap on Next. You will receive a verification code on your email address. You have to enter it and then tap on Verify. Now click on Continue. You will find the option of Delete Account. Once you are ready to delete, tap on Delete Account. And then your Uber Eats account will be deleted successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can delete your Uber Eats account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.